ideas for each one of us for a healthy mind and body. We should always be grateful towards life. We all have been so fortunate to be blessed with one more day and one more chance to live. Let's make every day beautiful and hope for the best. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show how I reused a grape stem or a stalk to a beautiful decor piece. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is a grape stem which usually we throw and never think of saving it. I liked its shape and thought of doing something with this. I first dried this. Then I used silver spray paint. Here, I'm going to show 5 different ideas how to place these grape stems. Now to place this beautiful grape stem, I'm using a plastic PET jar with the lid. This lid I'm sticking it to the jar so that I can hang it somewhere. When this is done, I'm using spray paint to paint it, and then I drew few circles and semicircles on it. Now this is how I placed it. You can also place this beautiful grape stems painted in silver or gold in a basket or a pot, whatever you have in hand. Now here I am painting these grape stems gold in color, and now I'll be using it in shot glasses. Now this is other way to decorate your grape stems with tissue paper or crepe paper. You can make small petals out of tissue paper or crepe paper and stick to the grape stem, and this looks really wonderful. Hope you all like these ideas and will definitely try these ideas. Please let me know in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay safe.